In this video, I will show you how to delete your transactions on Cash App. There are several reasons why you might want to delete your transactions on Cash App. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So go ahead and head over into your transactions tab by hitting on the bottom right corner of your screen. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find all of the transactions that you've made on Cash App. As you can see in here, there are several transactions that I have made on Cash App in this section. A quick answer to the question if it is possible to delete your transactions on Cash App individually. It is impossible for you to do that because there is no option for you to delete your transactions individually on Cash App. So let's go ahead and head over into one of my transactions to see that. So as you can see in here, there's no option to do that. But what you can do is to go ahead and delete your Cash App account and create a new account on Cash App to start anew without transactions. And that's basically how you can delete transactions on Cash App. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.